Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so we have the third palette revealed for the Yes Oh Yes June box. Now you know that there is going to be 4 different variants of eye palettes in the June box. So they have revealed 3 of them. Not really revealed them because the names ain't there. It's just 3 teasers of the 3 different palettes. So I will show you the first one that we seen on the first reveal. And then of course here is the second palette. And then the one newly just released, just revealed, is this palette. Now, they got one more palette to go. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. And again, there's going to be 4 different ones that you can get. So I think that's really cool. And I can't wait to see what else that they're putting in the June box. So as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, and of course, there's going to be that last palette that they will probably do another teaser on, I will update you guys. And don't forget, I do have a code for you to get 10% off of your first box if you do want to try out Yes Oh Yes. It is Self-Taught Beauty in all caps. And again, that'll get you 10% off of your first box. And as always, guys, make sure your bell is on. That way you're notified of every video I upload. You do not want to miss any spoilers. Also, rate the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. That shows me if you enjoyed the video, if you didn't like it. That way I can adjust my videos for you guys. And one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.